Welcome to the Cryptosphere. This is Cryptogenic coming at you. Today is Tuesday, October 5th at 5:20 p.m. here in sunny California. Today I'm going to give you some outlandish end-of-year targets for XRP, Dogecoin. I just want to say I did take some requests the other day, and I've got a list, and I am going to go through those, and I'm going to answer all of those. If I told you I'm going to look at your chart, I'm definitely going to get your chart to you within the next couple of days. But today, I've been pouring over these charts a little bit, and what I'm seeing here as possibilities is blowing me away. I thought about not even dropping this at all, not even showing these charts, but what the heck, right? I mean, and if it's possible, it's possible. Not every asset follows its fractal, but if these assets do follow their fractals, some crazy possibilities are in range between now and the end of the year. First, of course, XRP. Now, looking at XRP, you know, I said that it just kind of following in the trend that it's in, we could potentially see like up to like $20 by the end of the year, right? So this is definitely a possibility, right? So we could like between $11 and $20 by the end of the year. That's kind of a conservative target for XRP, in my opinion. But if you want my non-conservative target, we have to kind of zoom out on this and take a look at the broader trend. Now, there is a broader trend here on the XRP chart. And if you follow these trend lines, where does it take us? This is ridiculous, right? Ridiculous. $20 or $200? That is, if we come back and retest the top of this line by January 1st, it's 201. If it's later, it could be higher. Ridiculous, right? I'm not saying that this is absolutely what's going to happen. I'm saying this is possible. I'm saying, looking at this chart, looking at the price action, when we had this peak here, we touched the line. If we get another explosion of RSI, we could reach back for the line. And if we do, XRP could go a lot farther than anyone would have expected. Now, of course, in the short term, we've got a little bearishness on the 4-hour chart. We're showing bearish divergence in the RSI. We're making higher highs in the price action and lower highs in the RSI. And sure enough, this high in the price action hasn't even broken this high. So already it's turning around. I think XRP is going to break down momentarily and come back and touch around between 94 and 97 cents. So, yeah, short-term bearishness, long-term bullishness, well, midterm bullishness. Between now and the end of the year, I expect great things from XRP. All right, I'm going to look at this Doge chart. Now, I hate Dogecoin, okay? I really don't like it. But as a technical analyst, my job's to look at the chart. Now, either I can call this chart a liar, or I can take seriously the possibility. And just from what I can gather from this chart, my modest, conservative target for Dogecoin is $2.89. I'm going to get a lot of hate on this video for doing this, and I don't blame you. I simply think that we have to be careful not to make the mistake of getting too emotional one way or another about any asset. You can get so emotional about an asset in a positive sense that you convince yourself that it's going to 100x, and it does nothing. And you can get so emotional about another asset from a negative perspective that you're convinced that it's going to go to zero, and it pumps. And so whenever I see people doing technical analysis and then they say, I don't like this coin, which is what I just said about Dogecoin, and then they give you a negative analysis of the coin, based upon their negative perception of the asset. You got to kind of turn that off when you're reading charts. I mean, if you're watching my channel, it means that technical analysis means something to you. But if technical analysis, if you actually subscribe to the school of thought of technical analysis, then it really almost doesn't matter what's written here. We should just shield you to this stuff, and all we're looking at is the candle patterns and the RSI and the MACDs. Could I be wrong? Heck yeah. Hey man, I don't create these charts. I just draw lines on them. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin to see what's happening in the world of Bitcoin. And this is actually very positive for Bitcoin. I mean, take a look at this in the RSI. We've actually broken above the trend, which means once we break above this line here on the weekly chart, the downtrend is over. We've effectively invalidated it, which means the correction is officially over. Secondly, we're well above the 21-day EMA, and the EMA is pointing up again. It's moving in the upward direction again, which is encouraging. But now we go to the daily chart, and it's even more encouraging. We broke bullish out of this, and we're heading up towards this target between $55,000 and $57,000. RSI is moving upward. Could come back down and retest this line, probably will at some point, and then perhaps come back up and retest the top of this line. MACDs are moving upward. So we got bullish MACDs, we've got bullish RSI, we've got bullish price action. BTC is bullish. However, look at XRP against BTC. I was expecting XRP to come back and test this line, but it's broken beneath it. And if you can see the RSI here, we've broken beneath this line. So we're seeing this breakdown for XRP, and it could go as low as 1919 all the way down to 1783. I believe we're going to find support here around 1919 at the lowest. Depends on if the RSI bottoms out here. But what does this say to us? We've also got bearish divergence here on the 4-hour in XRP. What does this say to us that we've got a bullish Bitcoin and a short-term bearish XRP? That means XRP BTC, just like LTC BTC, is going to break down a little further, which gives us a tremendous opportunity to buy these assets at a discounted price. Those of us who are traders. LTC BTC, same thing. I got it bottoming out here at 33. LTC on the BTC chart has already started to move upward in terms of the RSI, so I think we've got support there in the RSI for LTC BTC. I think we're good. Where's my MACDs? MACDs still need to turn bullish, but RSI is already showing us we're moving upward. We've got support here for LTC BTC, I think. But XRP BTC still has a little bit of a ways to go down. This is the stuff we do, and we make trades in my Patreon. Also post some charts there. Answer questions. Check it out. I don't want to say too much about it, but if you're interested, patreon.com/cryptogenic. But folks, this is crazy. This is crazy. The possibilities. I'm going to do a video soon called What to Do If You Become Crypto Rich. Because if XRP does hit $201, how much are you going to be worth? You're going to be worth a lot. If Dogecoin hits $218, what are you going to be worth? You're going to be worth a lot. So I'm going to make a video soon about what to do if you become crypto rich. How do you handle that? How does the acquisition of sudden wealth affect your life? And how do you order that wealth and steward it so that it builds your life and becomes generational rather than destroying your life? Too many cautionary tales of people who became suddenly wealthy and their wealth destroyed them. So we got to talk about that. That's coming in a video to come. But in the meantime, I've got to go home and get dinner for my wife and daughter. So do me a favor and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just my thoughts. And with that being said, make every effort to sleep in peace every night, wake in joy every morning, and walk in love every day. And this is Cryptogenic, signing out.